Let's do it.
Oh, I saw the video of me dancing on YouTube.
Oh yeah, over there, yeah.
I was actually scrolling on my YouTube and I came across it. I was like, no fucking way, that's me. Oh, it was quite good.
You look quite happy. Oh,
You've
no.
got collections. Right.
Joe.
Okay guys,
I think.
James here, Downed Pilot. Oh, you'll see. Right. So Simon and Bert have kind of been voluntold to be the Downed Pilots. So they'll be somewhere in the maze, and everybody is hostile to them, right? So what you need to do is both teams will be on either side, the same way it would be for Dom. You have to go in, shoot the Downed Pilot, capture them, take them back to your spawn, and then also the button boxes will be in play. So one, aye, but aye.
Nice leaving.
Nice knowing you, Simon.
So aye. Simon, have you still got your green bands?
I do, I've got a collection.
He's got the disco bands on, put them on, Simon.
Right, everybody upstairs.
I don't like this game. Behind you!
Usually we've got somebody to protect us, you know what I mean? It's just...
Let them,
aside, didn't we?
yeah, and let them shoot
Guys,
each other.
I don't know what you feel about it. The best chance you've got to, you're holding it.
that side,
There's a
yeah.
flank, one tucked in that side, one tucked the back to back.
Yeah.
I think we're only looking at the maze to start, is it not?
The
Aye,
bit
but
that's
that-
got the barricade over that
Aye,
side.
that side, aye.
You can do it if you're going. Right, so you guys can medic each other. Let's say that.
Oh, right.
So if Simon gets shot and you get to him before they get to him, he's back in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
How many? Five count?
Aye,
Can't
yeah,
go
yeah.
10 minutes, 2 minutes.
No, I know, it's eight fast. I know it's going to be a slaughter fest already.
Oh, aye, I know.
Right, so if you get captured, you just join my team, right?
Cool.
Cool. The band's a bit fucking high, that's it. Right, good luck.
Oh dear.
See, I get the good time is, but you're not going to head to the middle first.
Yeah, hopefully they'll fight each other, and
exactly.
if we don't do anything, they'll get distracted and. Go you back. Oh, sorry. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Jesus. Oh, nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's okay. Ah, help me. Help me. Help me. Just the wall, probably. Right, oh,
I don't know if you pressed that.
I'm green now. Yeah. Oh, we got Bert as well. Did they get you, Bert? Oh, dead man. Oh. Dead man. You're not green, are you? No, you're not.
I didn't shoot him, I thought he was a friend. I was just like, can you just shoot Simon? I was just like, right, I won't shoot him, and then I seen the blue band.
It was a blue band. Because the way he was pointing, I thought he was on our side. Yeah.
So it's essentially just a team deathmatch, right? Because we have
Yeah.
both.
Yes. Whoa, hey. That's okay. There is someone there. Oh, nice. They're back. Walked into that. Thanks, so. Oh, both. He was quite eager.
Is he booby traps?
It was for the game in October. Heard that too late.
Ah, he's moving.
Oh, green. Oh, both. Sounded like. You lost.
I've known my gun blew up, so I'm just trying to find it. Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man, don't shoot. Who's got to get a kick the ball? Dead man! Dead man, dead man!
One bit. Oh, Jesus. Side him out. Oh, wrong side.
Oh no, sounds like he's limbering up his vocals. What key will you be in?
I can feel it!
All of them?
I feel it in my bones! Ah, Daddy!
Sorry, Marty.
Congestion. Oh, sorry. That grenade should have got anyone new. Sorry.
Good job.
Oh, sorry, in the finger there, was it?
So you're just playing off man TV again?
Aye, I'm just walking about and that. Too fat for that now.
He's making up for it. Isn't he?
Right, I'm going to go for it, give me cover.
Oh dear. Nope, it's alright. Hey, Dave.
Good man. Good man.
Oh, it's green. Oh, the box is here. You watch my back? Yeah. Red man. Oh. We had one person ran up there. We had two greens on our left here. Good. You green, 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 green.
Oh, you got that cracker on the neck. On that.
There's only so much you can see through the window, that's all.
When I come in, I've seen you in there.
Running out of time.
Right, we're going to be playing Domination upstairs. For anybody that doesn't know, the button boxes are still in play. They'll not be counted up, but just touch them to respawn. Does anybody get any questions? No. Right, no pyro. Oh. Right, up the concrete stairs, please, guys.
Thank you, sir. It's going for a high score. No, not 6.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Oh, I was doing a bit of a thumbnail there.
Oh. Cheers. Yeah, man, come through. Oh. Oh shit, sorry Owen, no, sorry. Sorry. One there. It's just.
I'm gonna go through the cross.
Oh. Damn it. Oh, yeah.
Right.
I'll watch straight down the corridor. Is that you, Jamie? Oh, Bart, nice. Yeah, Right hand corner. Yeah, right hand side. Down hit. That would have been a surprise. Game over. Oh, it was good.
Yeah, Simon, you tell him to shoot. Yeah, brilliant. Brilliant.
Nah,
I don't know what the fuck you were doing there.
I don't know either.
I think you shot
I
yourself.
got the ceiling a few times.
Absolutely. You're always last, Simon. But it's worth the wait.
First out, last in.